So here we've got our Cabelas folding shooting table. Range Max also makes the same, basically the same exact table. However, this was cheaper just because of the Cabelas name on it, whatever. So I'm going to show you quickly how this is a pretty convenient shooting table, and it's worth the money, I think. So the first part we got here is the little shooting stick, okay? Little Velcro strap holds it in there. It goes right in this center hole here, okay? So this has a tightening. This has a tightening screw here that you can use to keep this from spinning. Also, so underneath here, you can slide this up and down, obviously, but this little plastic push tab, you just pull it over and it locks it in place, okay? And that helps keep this thing stable when you're shooting out of it. It's not bad, okay? It's not perfect either. I still prefer to use shooting bags, but if you're not doing anything crazy, then this will work good for you. Okay, so next up on the list here, we've got this back piece here. This Velcros, and it folds up. So it gives you a little more padding for leaning on or resting your elbows on, whatever have you. Or it folds down out of the way. Velcro's underneath if you don't want it. Little deal here, cup holder for the brewskis, you know. Okay, the sitting bench. It's comfortable, I guess. Obvious, it's just a shooting bench. Comfort's not really a big deal here. So underneath here, got this little metal tab, right? You pull this out, and that's what locks your bench in from sliding. So if you pull this out, if I can do it here, there we go. So it slides all the way off or all the way forward. There are tabs in here that it'll lock in place when you find the right spot for you. So generally when you're folding this up, you're going to want this all the way back, wherever it is here, to the rearmost position, okay? First thing you're going to do is come right under the seat here. You're going to pull this tab. Look. Pull. Alright, so you're going to pull that tab out. And then you're just going to push down. And look at that. It folds right down flat. Next step you're going to do is fold the table down. And in order to do that, you're going to pull this red stripe here. And literally it'll unlatch. And oops, forgot there's another latch. Okay. And literally, boom. It'll just fold down flat. The one thing that might mess you up from it folding flat all the way, you're going to want to make sure that you push your seat all the way back forward. You have to pull it back to fold it down. But once you get the seat down and you're ready to fold the table down, you push the seat all the way back ahead. Then this will pull right in. You'll see this little locking deal here. Same thing. Pull. Yeah. So you're going to pull that in. Boop. And that will come all the way back to this little hole right here. In theory. There she is. Now it's folded all the way up. Nice and flat. It's a pretty nice table. For the money, I think, for easy storage and transportation, it's worth it. Shout out to Cabelas and Range Max for good products. Thanks for joining us today at Flint Eastwood's Armory. Hope you liked the review and a little tutorial on how to operate the Cabelas / Range Max folding shooting table. Great product. would definitely recommend purchasing one yourself if you're not looking for a permanent shooting bench. Make sure you give a like and a follow. Leave a comment. You got any video ideas, anything you'd like me to highlight? Make sure you go on Facebook and Instagram and you check out Red Creek Outdoors.